Because this fucking truck is... First off, hemorrhaging power steering fluid all over the front leaf springs. Hemorrhaging oil from, what, rear main seal, maybe? It looks like it's all over the whole transmission bell housing. This wiring... This fucking... The loose lights... fucking... The fucking power cord is wrapped around the leaf springs. Oh my god. The wiring hanging low, got a couple of fucking cable ties on them. The fucking generator is sitting on a fucking cargo carrier from a camper with a box mount holding it on, couple of fucking wing nuts, some threaded pipe all the way up over the frame, got the ratchet strap for stability.
He's fucking cracking himself.
The fucking it's just perfect. It's just a work of art. This can't be accidental. This fucking shit's the jankiest thing I've ever seen. Hold on. I just gotta get the fucking carabiners. The carabiners holding it all together. There's carabiners holding the fucking thing on. They're holding the generator up.
Did you guys see the
The fucking wiring wrapped around the leaf springs. Alright guys, we're back with round 2 or 5 or whatever it is, because this fucking shit cannot go unnoticed. Because don't even worry about the cut-off wires that are bolted to the fucking body, but the fucking inverter it's literally just sitting loose. It's just hanging here. There's funnels and rags and oil and fucking house plugs and shit just sitting on the fucking ground. There's these loose wires. They're all electrical taped together with fucking scotch tape, screwdriver holding the fucking hood up. But where is the inverter even hooked up to, you might ask? Well, let's head on down here where it's fucking just alligator clips. Oh my god, they're all rusted out. There's like the fucking nest of wires in here is almost worse than underneath the vehicle. And there's like it's like fucking the alligator clips on the fucking radiator support bracket. The inverter cables are just hanging loose, just touching each other, fucking laying out, doing whatever they want. This fucking shit's a travesty. The fucking washer bottle is just hanging loose. So's the speaker. The horn. Oh my fucking Lanta. Oh my word. Don't even get me started on the interior. Because first off, who needs a doghouse when you have some professional wiring from this fucking panel? All electrical tape together. You got alligator clips just in case you need them. Oh, wait, well, hold on. What if the battery goes dead? Don't worry, you got your fucking ever start. The chair. I can't handle the chair. The racing wheel.
What about this shit?
Flopping in the breeze.
What about that?
Panel's not even bolted down. Oh, what a fucking...
What is on the floor?
I don't know. There's just loose wire and the fucking... Even after all this time, I still can't believe this is happening. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Oh wait, I can't.
Time to find out if the brakes work.
Ready? Do you have that lockout? Yes?
Yeah.
That's actually doing pretty good. Woo! Oh, one second, let me get some gas.
What the fuck?